Well, hello, fifth graders. So today I am coming from Poracy Park in Middletown, New Jersey, and I take you to a local ecosystem, and we're going to talk about food chains and food webs that might be found here. This is our local pond, and normally it is teeming with all sorts of frogs, fish, and tadpole. It could be that it's still a little too cold for them to be out. We also usually see turtles here, but we know that they're there. So let's think about this. In a pond ecosystem, what kind of food chain might we make? So let's think this through. If we know that there's frogs in here and there's possibly some snakes, tadpoles, small fish, what kind of things would rely on this ecosystem for survival? I just saw a sign saying that there are red-tailed hawks here and also great horned owls. So if we think about those types of things, I know that great horned owls love to eat snakes. So possibly they might look around this pond and wait for a snake and then snatch it up. I also know that red-tailed hawks, like anything they can basically get their mouths in, right? In their clutches of their feet. So let's think, what might they eat here? Hopefully not that little boy that's running. Okay. We know that the frogs eat the insects that go on to the top of the surface of the water. So let's think, what might eat a frog? A food chain always starts with something that eats like a plant, right? So we might start with algae and then move up the food chain. So what I would like you to do is imagine that you're at Poracy Park with me right now, looking at this pond ecosystem. In the comments section, I would like you to write what possible food chain or food web could you create out of this particular ecosystem, okay? A pond ecosystem. What do you think we could list as a food chain?